Hey metalheads, Mailman X here, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a little unboxing video. Our friends over at the Hoard sent us some goodies. I have no idea what's in here, so I'm just excited to see what's in here as you guys are. Uh, the Amatsuhana video is going. I've had a little bit of problems with my air conditioning unit, and so I've had to stop and take care of that. But let's see what we got in our little care package here. I want to say thank you again to the Horde's Hobbies for, helping me out and, you know, sending me this little care package. If you haven't checked them out already, please do. There's some pretty awesome people over there, especially, if you're looking for something rare or something like that, they can really help you out. Never done unboxing before, so I'm gonna see how this goes. All right. Oh. So, gotta love these. Love them. I'm opening this upside down because, reasons. Let's see what we got here. We have, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Just, wow. The Hayaki Shiki is my favorite kit of all time, and I didn't even know they did a mechanical clear of this. Holy moly. Let's take a look really quick before we go any further. Because holy moly. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. It's all clear. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is... Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Okay. So that's gonna have to go on the channel. Oh, I wonder what this thing would look like with some LEDs in it. I don't know. I've never done a clear kit before, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. Holy moly. Holy moly. That was, wow. This could be all there is, and I'd be like, oh my gosh. Hold on one second. Okay, got that out of the way. Let's see what else is in here. Oh! No way. I'm a huge Zeta fan. If you haven't been able to tell by some of my stuff. Got the big Horde's Hobby bag there. A couple of seed things. I've never seen these before. I don't know exactly what they are. I'm guessing they are... Oh, yeah, they're figures. That is cool. Got some stickers. That's going on the stuff. Oh, these are trading cards? Goof Custom, definitely one of my favorites. Hopefully get to do that one again in the future. I have a video of it, but nice. I have a video of a HG Goof Custom I did. Is that a pen? That's awesome. That is so cool. Oh, that's awesome. I get these from time to time too. I love those little things. They sit on my... Ooh, Gaia paints. Nice. Everything was really well packed too. Ah, more stickers. Yes, love stickers. Metal parts. Sweet. These are all gonna get used. Even more. Yes. Oh, nice. I think these are... I don't have... Hold on. Okay, got my little... Oh, yeah. These are UV reactive. I don't think it's picking very up well on the camera, but yeah. That's awesome. Holy crud. What else do we got in here? Jeez. Bro. Sweet. More metal detail parts. It's a really cool thruster. Ah! Sweet! Oh my god. Okay. There's... making sure I'm not missing things. I want to save that for last. That looks really cool. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is. Lighter and ashtray. Another sticker. Oh, whoa. Whoa. See, these are things I didn't even know existed. Holy moly. It's a goof lighter. Don't think it has fluid, but jeez, that is awesome. I don't do that anymore, but that is really cool to have. Wow. Okay, so wow. I mean, this alone is amazing, but all the other stuff, I can't even believe. So, if you haven't already, check out the Hoard, hoardshobbies.com, and check them out. They got all sorts of crazy limited edition stuff that you don't find too often over here in the States. And if you can't see it on their site, check out their Hunt a Kit service. And the friendly people over there are more than happy to help get you what you're looking for. So until next time, I'm just overwhelmed. This is awesome. So until next time, we'll see you here on the channel. Definitely going to be building this pretty soon. So, wow. All right. Later, metalheads.